See, quoting the judgment of the Apex Court, we said decision of the Supreme Court has already been followed by the Madras High Court, in which one of us is a party to the division bench, holding that even though the authority and the payment of gratuity cannot, even the authority and the payment of gratuity act cannot decide the issue. The only remedy to get relief under Section 4(5) of the payment of gratuity is before the Labour Court. This court is not giving liberty to the employees to approach the Labour Court. More so, challenge to the rules have already been in the negative, and a finding has been rendered against the employees. The employees should have challenged the order of the division bench dated 8/12/2020 before the Supreme Court, but they cannot re-agitate the same as stated supra. The reference to Section 14 of the Payment of Gratuity Act may not be applicable to the facts of this case. In case the award under rules are pari materia, then depriving the employee the gratuity of 30 days for each completed day may be illegal. The award has been modified due to the introduction of the Shillong Municipal Board Gratuity Rules 1980. Hence, on all counts, writ petition need to be dismissed. That apart, in the affidavit, it has been stated by the petitioner that the petition association is registered on the society's register of society, with the register of society. A registered trade union alone is empowered to file a writ petition, provided there is no disputed question of fact. In this case, writ petition has been filed by an association which is not registered under the Trade Unions Act, claiming service benefit, and on that score, writ petition has got to be dismissed. An unregistered trade union can challenge the award of the Tribunal or Labour Court or the authorities, but cannot maintain a writ petition. Five-man committee is also on the same footing. Even assuming that the registration of the petitioner union is under Trade Unions Act 1926, still the writ petition is not maintainable on the ground that as it is hit by res judicata. Apart from the disputed question of fact, claiming benefits under Section 4(5) of the Payment of Gratuity Act cannot be entertained by this court, and each and every individual will have to get the grievance redressed. As stated supra, we are not granting any relief in this writ petition, and also not permitting the employees to approach the authority or the Labour Court as the case may be, and there should be a finality to the litigation. Regarding the disbursement of medical amount, if any payable to the employees, liberty is given to the respondents to work out in accordance with law. It should be liberty is given to the petitioner to work out in accordance. It's mentioned as respondents. Liberty is given to the members of the petition to work out the policy. Yes. All right. You should have challenged it, otherwise you have got a very good case. You got a very good case. You should have challenged that order.
Item number 10.
Lordship, first of all, I'd like to apologize, Lordship. I've been appearing online due to the urban flood situation in Guwahati, my lord. I'm unable to travel to.
No problem, sir. Virtual area is permitted. Only thing is, you wanted to argue. That's all.
My lord, this appeal is against a judgment where, my lord, the learned single judge has dismissed my writ petition on the count that I did not seek proper leave from the authority. Whereas in the affidavit itself, filed by the NEHU, it's an admitted fact that I have been seeking permission from the HOD.
How many days leave?
My lord, what had happened during the COVID time, I had gone to Calcutta, and the moment I reached Calcutta, my lord, thereafter the COVID had started. Thereafter, I have been writing letters upon letters and mails upon mails to the HOD, and the HOD has been assigning me duties on that account. And second, my lord, and I have also filed this appeal due to the anomaly in pay fixation, where the learned single judge not even
Our
had
question is, how many days leave?
my lord, the leave that I had seek before going on 23rd March was for 3 days, my lord.
Only 3 days.
Yes, because my lord, at that time the COVID had not started. So I was.
What is the punishment imposed?
My lord, what are they have done? They have, my lord, may reflect to page 128, my lord.
120?
Page 128.
128.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
So
There
what
they
is
have
it, sir?
said-
So please answer our question. Then
Yes,
it will be
my lord.
easy for us to follow. How many, you
my
said 3 days leave. What is the punishment imposed?
my lord, they did not impose any punishment, my lord. What they did not impose any punishment.
171 days during 17, so. As per our leave, you have only 70 days
directed
on leave, with half pay leave and half pay leave, so on. So, what is the order passed, sir? By
My lord, this is the
the
order-
authorities,
this
by
is-
the authorities, which was challenged before the learned single judge.
My lord, that order is at my lord, that order is at page 287. I filed an appeal against for condonation of my earned leave and of my half pay leave. Where at page 287, the order has been passed.
287.
Yes, my lord.
Page number 279, we cannot read. What is page number 287?
Yes, my lord. 287, my lord.
So appeal was rejected on the ground that the delay cannot be condoned. How many days delay?
Yes. My lord, that is of 99 days, my lord, earned leave. My lord, I'll just put
Sir,
on my case, my lord.
how many days you have filed it against him? What is the original order?
My lord, may I just submit my lord? What had happened, my lord, during the COVID, my lord, before the COVID had
Please, sir,
started.
you must understand one thing. You have already said that COVID. You said 3 days
Yes,
leave.
ma'am.
For 3
Yes,
days
ma'am.
leave, they have imposed some punishment. What was the punishment imposed?
My lord, they did not impose any punishment.
Then
My lord, what they did, my lord,
they
what they did.
adjusted your leave. 218
Yes, my lord.
days. 218 days leave to credit has been adjusted.
Yes, my lord.
That is a full pay and half pay leave has been adjusted.
Yes, my lord.
Correct?
Yes, my lord.
So
Despite the fact that I have been, yes, my lord. Despite the fact that I have been working online.
you are not
and I have-
explaining. You are not explaining. When we are trying to put forth your case, you are not following.
My lord.
218 days you have got to leave to a credit.
Yes, my lord.
So why you have taken 171 days leave? According to them. According to them.
Yes, my lord.
So
Yes, my lord.
they have adjusted the paid leave and also half paid leave available in a credit.
My lord, how much I was left with the credit when I retired, when I resigned, was only of 4 days. 4 days was left with me.
Who is on the other side?
I am for the university, my lord. Now, your lordship, what happened in this case, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, who was serving at the relevant point of time in the university, my lord, as a professor, she applied for a station leave, my lord.
Applied for?
She applied for station leave.
Station.
She wanted to move to Calcutta, her hometown, for 3 days, my lord, starting from, my lord, 22nd March till 25th March of 2020. So, lordship was aware, my lord. After she left, yes, my lord, there was total COVID lockdown, your lordships. Now, my lord, this situation, my lord, did not take action against any teacher. Many of the teachers were aware, my lord. We are fully aware about the situation. Now, thereafter, what happened, my lord, from May onwards, my lord, the COVID restrictions were partially lifted. Teachers were required, because they not only, my lord, impart classes, but they are also required to do, my lord, administrative duties, setting answer scripts, attendance sheet of the students, my lord, these things. But she throughout, he remained absent, your lordships, and ultimately the HOD, head of the department, your lordship, I will just take my lord to that letter. That is that page, my lord. Page, my lord, 343.
343.
Lordship. My lord. Lordship.
Yes.
Dated 16 September 2020. To the Register Nehu, subject Professor Belakishan out of station on CL leave station, such and such. Dear sir, with reference to the subject cited above, I wish to inform you that Professor B. Kishan is out of station on casual leave, such and such, and station leave from such and such till this date. In between, Kishan has sent email letter for grant of permission to work from home in view of the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown or other reasons. The email letters have been forwarded to me, forwarded to the register, etc. Now the department has started examination related work besides other administrative responsibilities to faculty members, and therefore Professor B. Kishan presence is required in the department. I shall be grateful if you can do the needful in this regard.
We expect them to be present during COVID time. It was very peak.
No, not COVID, my lord. By this time, my lord, the restriction has been removed, your lordships. All that. Now what happened, your lordship? Lordship will kindly go to the next page, 344.
Very, very doubtful whether the trains were going and flights were on.
Lordship, we have taken ultimately Executive Council, which is the highest authority. They took a decision. I'll take my lord to that. That is not even understood.
Now, what is the relief you wanted?
Now, what you want is, my lord, if I can take your lordships to the decision taken by the...
Just to tell us.
My lord, what happened?
Whether we want to know whether notice should be ordered or not. That's what we want to know.
I'm coming to. Now, what happened, your lordship? Then ultimately, we sent her letter, repeated letters. Please come and join. She one pretext, I don't know, my mother is sick or something else, your lordship, she avoided.
When did he join?
Ultimately, she joined on 12th December 2020.
12th December 2020.
But we made it clear, since you were on unauthorized absence, lordship, we will not take any disciplinary actions. But as per the decision of the Executive Council, you were required to regularize those unauthorized leaves. Thereafter, we take Executive Council.
But the person was not affected with COVID.
No, my lord. Thereafter, what happened, your lordships? She, in pursuant to the decision, my lord, she herself applied for the leaves. The leave application also I have annexed. She applied for the leave was granted, regularized, granted to her. Now, in the month
What is the grievance?
Her grievance, my lord, after applying for the leave, after the leave was granted by the university, regularized, my lord, she tendered her resignation, she resigned from the university, then she files this writ petition.
My lord, may I submit here? My lord, I was put into a compelling situation. 14 months they did not pay me salary, my lord. 14 months they did not pay me salary. I gave a representation to them. That is a page.
It's not correct, your lordship. With another case is...
No, my lord, this is absolutely correct. And in fact, my lord, this 15th October 2020, the resolution, page 345, it came into effect. The affidavit, my lord, page 345.
345, the minutes.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, at the 346, my lord may see. At 15 October 2020 is the date, my lord, down below. 345, 15 October is the date. And my lord, 346, the council was apprised that so many faculty members, staffs are in the habit of leaving the station without sanction of proper leave and remaining absent from duty for a long time, which affects the normal functioning of the department, academic activities. From the outstation hometown, the faculty members, staff informed they are on work from home in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. The council deliberated on the matter. The council resolved that no staff faculty members should leave the station without sanction of proper leave, and that action as per rule will be taken for such unauthorized leave / absence from duty. The council further resolved the necessary concession may be given only for the period of complete lockdown, that is, on the date of lockdown was announced by the government of India, till the period of railway / airline travel facilities being operational functional.
Where is your resignation letter?
My lord, my resignation letter.
When did you resign? When did you file a writ petition?
My lord, I filed my representation in 2023, my lord. My lord,
Which?
as of date, I have not 2023. My lord, as of date, I have not even claimed my I have not even claimed my NPS, not a benefits of NPS, because my lord, this is absolutely. I have worked during the COVID time. I have worked. I have done my online duties, and still they have taken away my earned leave, my lord.
72 days they are on leave.
Yes, my lord, and 99 day half pay
Half
leave,
pay
my
leave,
lord.
yes.
So, my lord,
171 days. So you paid the amount.
My lord, whatever is entitled, everything has been settled.
Yes, yes, yes.
Everything has been settled. And in her resignation letter, she categorically said personal reason. Now he is making out something else, I don't know, my lord. And in fact, another case filed by the petitioner, my lord, claiming that she is entitled to old pension scheme, my lord. There she has given reference to the resignation letter. She had made a categorical statement in that petition, my lord, that I wanted to resign, my lord, due to personal reason, nothing else. That petition is pending before the learned single judge.
My lord, may I
But,
submit here,
I
my
don't
lord?
think the rule doesn't permit pension if a person resigns.
My lord, that is there. We have taken
My
that.
lord, may I just submit here? My lord, I was into an old pension scheme in the government of West
Yeah,
Bengal.
that is different. That is different. We don't want to go to that. That is before the single
Yes,
judge. Now, you have resigned, you have collected, and you have paid all those money. That is the order of the single judge.
My lord, I have not collected a single penny from the. I have not even collected a single penny, my lord. The Nehu can inform. Nehu can.
So where
I
is
have
the
not
order
even
of the
taken-
single judge, sir?
My lord, page 455.
55,
Yes, my lord. 455, my lord.
455.
Yes, my lord. The effect, my lord, at the paragraph 11, my lord, it is there. In fact, my lord would remember the last date my lord had directed them to come up with a solution to pay me at least a 1 month salary.
But you, 171 days or whatever number of days you have adjusted, it includes the COVID period also?
No, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
Really,
Sir, please,
Lordship.
you are not answering correctly, so we are taking the essence of the other side.
My lord, if I can take your lordship, there was a decision. Just now, my learned friend has read out. Decision
lord,
by the highest.
my lord, please.
Mr. Sharma, we will hear you.
My lord, my lord.
Want to know the facts first.
I apologize.
Yes,
There was a decision, your lordship, at page 348.
348.
Lordship. My lord, this is just now my learned friend has read out.
1 minute. 348.
348, my lord.
Yes, 348.
My lord, 6.7. My lord, this is resolution number
Prolonged
6.
absence.
Prolonged absence from duty, headquarters, faculty members, officials, generally, my lord, for all the staff. If I can take, my lord, to paragraph 3, subparagraph 3, the council further resolved that necessary concession may be given only for the period of complete lockdown. That is, from the date lockdown was announced by the government of India till the period railways, airlines, travel facilities being operational function. Thereafter, anyone who was out of station has to apply for proper leave, failing which necessary action would be taken.
So, from the, 1 minute,
Lordship.
we have not posed a question.
Well,
From the date of lockdown, namely 25th March 2020,
Lordship.
till the railways resumed its operation, you have paid wages.
Yes, yes.
You paid wages.
You have not touched. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
You paid.
So, only thereafter you deducted, they treated the period as on leave.
Exactly, your lordship. Whatever is available to her. And we made a request to her, and she has applied, your lordship. Her own application is there at 355.
355.
355.
350. 355.
My lord. This is our application leave for.
Where is the proof that you are affected with COVID?
My lord, I was not affected with COVID, my lord. I was there online. I was there doing my.
She was. Well, she means your she or the he.
She, my lord. She, my
No, here, see, this is your leave application. It says
Yes, my lord.
she was diagnosed. She means diagnosed with the COVID-19 symptoms and was admitted thrice in 3 different hospitals. Pneumonia and heart problems in the year 2020, and after the onset of COVID pandemic.
My lord,
Well,
it's about my mother. It's about the mother, my lord.
It's about the mother.
It's about the mother, my lord.
And your lordship, 357, on the basis of this, we passed the order, granting her leave. 357. Next page.
When was your mother admitted in the hospital and diagnosed with COVID? Did you file any document? Because any
Yes, my lord, I have
member is affected, the others also
Yes.
asked to be in quarantine.
Yes, my lord. I gave a.
Did you
detailed-
file any document?
Yes, my lord. I
Where?
filed an appeal to. I filed an appeal, my lord.
Tatapan, you have also applied for the leave and you have asked that it should be treated like half pay leave,
No,
etc.
I have never said that, my lord.
This is in 2021. When did you file the writ petition?
My lord, 2023, my lord.
23, after resignation. She resigned in 20
My lord, please.
from the service, and 23 she filed the writ.
22. When did she resign?
Remember?
So from day one, I am requesting the bar to file the list of events.
My lord, page 98 is my representation, my lord.
See, when you're filing
Where
about
I
500, 600 pages and you're not able to answer our queries, and
My lord.
every time you have to turn the pages.
My lord,
Sir, you must understand one thing. We have understood your case.
yes, my lord.
According to the COVID, on account of COVID, you could not attend work, and that you attended work from home. And
Yes, my lord.
you joined work in December.
May I, if
Correct.
my lord allows me.
No, that's your case. We'll go to the undisputed facts.
Yes.
The fact that
May I just submit here, my lord? Please, my lord, if allows me, my lord. Just 1 minute, my lord. What had happened, my lord? I just till 50 on 9th of October, 5th of October, they informed me saying that you have to report on duty on such and such date. On 9th of October, and I gave them a representation, a detailed representation stating that, see, my mother is unwell. She's a diabetic patient. She's an 85-year-old lady. She's trying from COVID. So I need some time. Thereafter, on 15th of October,
that is right. All those leave will have to be treated as leave. How can that be treated as a leave for COVID period?
my lord.
Enjoy the cake and eat it too. You can't say, I have a leave, I should have a leave to my credit, still I should be paid. I should
my lord.
not be adjusted, the leave shall not be adjusted. How can you say that?
But because, my lord, till 15th of October, there was no resolution of such. Or how can a resolution have a retrospective effect, my lord? It can only have a prospective effect. The resolution was taken on 15th of October that all the persons has to report on such and such date. Before that, my lord, they had themselves has been conducting online classes. The HOD has written to them that from till 16/9, I have been submitting letters to them, and the same has been forwarded. It is
What is the total amount this comes to, sir?
My lord,
my lord,
How many days you according to you adjusted?
my lord, 171.
And 71 days.
171. And this has been done to all other teachers who were absent, your lordship. Nobody has come before the court except she. With that, and that resolution, my
If
lord,
we give some relief, it will amount to opening a Pandora box.
lordship,
So if we give some relief,
my lord,
it
you
will
will open the
amount to opening
floodgate.
Pandora box.
Nobody is agreed with your lordship. Number of teachers, this thing happened. And your lordship, another thing I'll just point out, my lord, all this comes from the decision of the executive council, my lord, which is the highest authority in the university. That decision was never challenged even before the single bench. If they are now saying prospective, retrospective, they could have challenged the decision of the executive council. It was never challenged. It stands as on.
My lord,
Yes.
this executive council, this meeting which my learned senior is talking about, that was never put up in the notice board, my lord. My lord, that is why I have directly challenged the letter on which I was being asked to appear. My lord, I was to page 343 once, my lord. 343 once. The injustice they have done to me, my lord, is reflected absolutely here, my lord.
See, they should have taken action, disciplinary action, and imposed a punishment. Only then. See, you're a professor, and you're on the. See, everyone had a problem, no doubt about it. Everyone had a problem, and very unfortunate situation happened in 2020 and 2021. And 2021, second wave was very bad. Many people lost their life, and many family members have gone. All those things you can accept, but how do you expect them to, based on your application, how do you expect the institution to take a different yardstick for you?
No, my lord, I'm not asking for a different yardstick, my lord. What I'm just saying is this, that my lord, till 15th of October, they had made me on presumption that the online classes is going on. So after 15th of October till the day I join, they can take it as my earned leave or half pay leave, but it cannot have a retrospective effect. And second, my lord, my pay fixation anomalies, my lord.
Sir, where is the proof that you have worked? Where is the proof you have? Since you have not worked, you are not entitled to wages. No work, no pay.
No, I have worked, my lord.
Suppose you don't have leave also, they cannot dismiss you from service because of the COVID situation. But you will not be entitled to wages.
My lord, there are absolutely proof on pages, my lord, that I have worked. I have sent question papers, my lord. I have done everything. I have sent question papers and everything, my lord.
Yes, we'll pass orders.
My lord, my pay fixation anomalies has not even talked by the single judge, my lord.
What is your relief in the writ petition?
My lord.
What is the relief sought for?
Page 56, my lord. Page 56.
My lord,
page 50?
56.
56, my lord.
Direct the respondent to correct the what is the wage fixation, he says?
My lord, this is not an issue, my lord. He pressed for this, my lord. Single judge refused to take, my lord.
Huh?
But this is not an issue.
my lord.
Issue set out in this writ petition. Just a prayer has been made. No issue has been, contentious issue has been set out in the writ petition.
My lord, they in the affidavit in reply, in the affidavit in opposition, they did not even contested that. In fact, they have admitted the fact that there is a pay fixation anomaly.
Sir, your prayer was supported by pleadings. You can ask for
Yes, yes, my lord, there are pleadings.
Any prayer you
There
can
are
ask.
pleadings. My lord, there are pleadings, my lord. My lord, there are pleadings at paragraph 32, paragraph 33 of my writ petition, my lord. Paragraph 26.
Sir, these are all your unauthorized absence.
No, my lord, paragraph 26. The petitioner begs to state that. Paragraph 26, my lord. The petitioner begs to
Employee
state
will
that.
unauthorized report back may condone to the absence or unauthorized seek pardon so and so. If the employee satisfies,
Paragraph 26.
the employee
Paragraph
condone himself give the petitioner perform duties so and so allotted. Therefore, the absence. That's all. These are all with regard to absence. Your prayer is there, but there is no plea with regard to prayer number 3. That
No, my lord,
correct the wage fixation.
My lord, paragraph 26. That the petitioner begs to state that on 24/10/2016, a letter was addressed to the assistant registrar, establishment 2, Nehu, Shillong, regarding anomalies in pay fixation of the petitioner. Her entry level pay was wrongly fixed at rupees 22,320 in PB3 with an academic grade pay of rupees 8,000 instead of 23,890. In accordance with the Government of India notice, Government of India dated her application is
So, where are you reading, sir?
Paragraph 26, my lord.
26.
Of my writ petition. Of my writ petition, my lord.
to decide this
My
application,
lord,
sir.
only thing I'll just point out, your lordships. Now, these professor, your lordship, before she joined university in 2007. Before that, she was serving in a deficit college in West Bengal. Now, her case, she has filed another case, my lord. Why I'm saying there she has contended her past service should have been taken into consideration, and she should have been granted, my lord, own pension scheme. Now, there he has raised all those things. Not her past service should be taken into consideration. That
The
matter is
issue is pending with the other petition.
No,
It is pending.
absolutely not, my lord. Absolutely wrong, my lord. My learned friend here is trying to confuse the court. Over there, it's a simple case of mobility of service from the old pension scheme to the new pension scheme. New pension scheme to old pension scheme as per the government of India. Here I have paid for
Now
my.
he has made we are not agreeing with regard to leave. We confirm. Insofar as para number 26 is concerned, he has made a representation. You pass orders
in the representation.
in the representation. Let him pass orders.
My lord, with regard to my condonation, my lord, if my lord, if this leave is taken, it would amount that I have worked, no work, no pay, my lord. Whereas I have worked every day, my lord. My lord was considered enough on the last occasion to at
Sir,
least grant me a month.
insofar as the order of the learned single judge affirming the decision of the authorities is concerned, we are not inclined to. You are on leave. Leave has been adjusted. Your request has been acceded. So we are not going to grant any relief. Insofar as your representation, namely wrong fixation of pay, the representation, if any, pending, shall be decided within a period of 4 weeks from the date of receipt of the order. That's all.
My lord,
Investigate
my lord,
and
just,
take it.
my lord, just consider once, my lord. Just page 343. 343, my lord, just for the sake.
Back and
So, my
forth
lord,
you are taking us, sir.
My lord, she's an unmarried lady who was looking after her mother of age of 56, my lord. My lord may see, my lord. Dear sir, page 343, my lord.
See, you must
With
understand
reference-
that. See, this is not the first time we are saying. Every day, this is
Yes,
the
my
every
lord.
time we are saying. Give
No,
us
my
a
lord,
list of events.
my lord, in between, Professor Kishan had sent some email letters for grant of permission
So,
to
where are we
work
reading,
from
sir?
home in,
Which page?
my lord, page 343.
343.
In between,
16 September.
Yeah.
I think you have read it more than once. Yes.
yes, in between, Professor Kishan has sent some email letters for grant of permission to work from home in view of the COVID-19 pandemic or other reasons. The email letters have been forwarded by me to the registry for necessary action. So as a duty bound, I was submitting my leave application to my HOD. The HOD was
Sir,
forwarding it.
you are not pursued with that. You have decided to get out of the institution. And having after we can understand you have challenged that order and say that without prejudice my rights in the writ petition I am resigning. That is different. You have resigned,
No,
wait for 1 year, and then after filing a writ petition.
my lord, I was forced to resign. I was compelled to resign, my lord. What my situation, my lord, what they have put me, they did not pay
Sir,
me
how can
15
we
months
go into
salary.
that? Whether you have been compelled to resign or not, we cannot go into that question. It's a disputed question of fact. They say you have done it voluntarily.
My lord, I have given a representation, my lord.
Sir, don't convert the first bench as a trial court, as an authority.
No, I absolutely understand, my lord. My only prayer is that if I worked my entire time as my duty, and I have till now I have not even taken my
Sir, you have not
benefit.
lost anything. That is all.
My lord, I'll be losing my entire period, my lord. I'll be losing my entire period. At least till 15th of
You know, all those
October.
things are all. See, you may have a leave to accredit, you may not have a leave to accredit. What to do?
My lord, I had leave. My lord may see the page 357.
See, if everyone, you can't say, see, if you want to work, you can work without taking leave. If you want to take leave and don't want to work, you can do that.
My lord, page 357, my lord. Page 357 once, my lord. Once, my lord. I'm just trying to convince my lord because, my lord, page 357 once, my lord.
See, all those things are not there. You cannot do that. I have also, I have got 500 leave to leave to my credit, but I want less than 50 days work. I've been working because I am interested in doing work. You want to work, anybody wants to work, they can work. You must enjoy the work. We do agree that COVID pandemic situation was very bad. But you have submitted a resignation letter.
No, but no, my lord.
It will be accepted. Sorry, come.
No, my lord, this is absolutely wrongly informed. My lord, I did not submit my resignation. My lord, this has been wrongly submitted by the council here. What has happened? They, the ones I joined in December, 14 months they did not pay me salary. That is their representation. Thereafter, my lords may see the order.
Sure.
It's of 12 July 2021.
Mr. Sharma, we don't want to impose cost. Because you're a professor and a workman, I mean, falling under the working class, we don't want to do anything. That's all. They will not impose cost. If any more submission, and submission means repetition, we impose cost.
No, my lord, it's not repetition.
No,
My
not
lord.
really, to collect it.
357.
Yes.
My lord, 357 will make it clear, my lord. 357 will make it clear that my lord, there is a
See, we will give you liberty. We'll give you liberty.
liberty for what, my lord?
Liberty to, with regard to wrong fixation. If there is any wrong fixation, the representation is there, that will be disposed of by them.
Well, they have filed that representation.
Not that representation, if any pending, you dispose of after giving an opportunity. That's all.
My lord, page 357 once, my lord. After that, I will not submit anything. If my lord's convinced, I will not submit anything. Page 357 once. My lord has been kind enough, my lord, page 357 once.
357, yes.
My lord may see the date, 12 July 2021
Yes.
at top. And my lord may see earned leave for 72 days. My lord may see the date, 28/5/2020 to 14/6/2020, the COVID period. The big COVID period.
Where? 28?
My lord, earned leave for 72 days with the effect from 28/5/2020 to 14/6/2020. It was a March, April, May, June.
11/7/2020. When was the release started as operation?
My lord, it started, my lord. We have issued a notification to join, my lord, in the month of May.
May.
So this comes January, February, March, April, May. May we have issued a notification.
Not January.
There is no
Only it's March.
There is no
April, May. Only
notification.
2 months.
May.
This is May. But March only lockdown.
Yes, my lord, March.
2 months.
My lord.
But when was they started? Railway started its operation.
My lord, partially they started operation, my lord, from the month of March. My lord, May.
Where is the proof?
My lord, your lordship, we have.
Reply from them, reply.
343. Lordship, if I can take my lord to page 341.
341.
My lord, this is 4th May 2020, your lordship.
Yes.
Now we see, in pursuance to order of Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, such and such, and the order of the State Government of Meghalaya, such and such, it is notified that the office of the university shall function with effect from such and such, 100% strength from Group A, B officials, and 33% strength of Group C and D. So, my lord, these decisions has been taken, my lord, pursuant to the notification, pursuant to the, my lord, improvement of the situations.
Where is the proof? Because at that time it was not functioning at all in the month of May and all. We still remember that. In fact, I faintly remember that during this time, the High Court was also functioning with 50% of judges, and in the month of May, we did not declare leave. When I was in Madras, 15 days, judges have been given work on rotation, and they have been working. Justice P.N. Prakash was heading Madurai bench at that time. He was one instrumental for helping several people at that point of time. Justice P.N. Prakash.
Please, one more thing, my lord. In fact, my lord, the ex-Chief Justice, the retired Chief Justice, Mr. Sanjeev Banerjee, when he joined from Madras, Madras High Court to Shillong High Court, Yeah, it was during the COVID time, during the June, July. Not have any accommodation. He had to come by car, and it was a news all over.
That is right. So I was also posted at Madurai. So I was traveling.
Yes, my lord.
I was also traveling
You were
from Madurai to 500 kilometers. I used to go there and come back. So not up to 2020, up to 2022.
So this is absolutely during the COVID period, my lord.
That is right. But not complete lockdown. Lockdown was partially lifted.
Yes, that is what is it.
But
Partially lifted.
Yes.
This period I remember.
no, my lord. 28
From that period,
May,
Lordship, we look into it, 28/5/20 to 14/6/20, 18 days. And thereafter, Your Lordship, 11/7/2020 to 2/9/20, 54 days. And thereafter, my Lord, 3/9/20.
Exactly. So within from 14/6 to 11/7, probably there will be complete lockdown. You have not deducted wages.
My Lord.
This period you don't have deducted wages. From 14/6 to 11/7, nearly about 27 or 28 days, you have not deducted any wages. You have paid wages.
Yes. And my Lord, that again I will say, my Lord, that resolution, categorically we have stated when there was complete lockdown, no action against the staff. And that was never challenged, my Lord. That executive
my lord,
decision.
my lord, if this earned
That
leave,
is, my Lord.
my lord, if this earned leave would not have been adjusted in this, my half pay leave would not be of 99 days. My half pay leave would have been reduced, my lord.
That resolution categorically say, my Lord, complete lockdown will not touch anybody.
My lord, I have in my
From
affidavit,
3/9/2020.
346, my Lord, that resolutions.
my lord, in my affidavit in reply at page 378, I have attached all the government notifications of the lockdowns, my lord. 378, my lord. $378. May 2020, my lord. If my
What
lord,
do you say to this 378?
My Lord.
yes, my lord.
Wait,
Phase
sir,
2.
wait.
As for the minister, such and such, school, college, my Lord, Lordship will recall, my Lord, the spread of COVID, my Lord. Spread of COVID was not
Schools and
uniform.
colleges will be opened after consultation with so-and-so. The government institution will be held after consultation so-and-so in the month of.
My Lord, these were the general guidelines, but Lordship will recollect, my Lord, the spread of COVID, my Lord, intensity, this was, my Lord, different in different states. So here
No, my Lord,
the
this is
state
Home
played
Affairs,
a
my
role.
Lord.
So
Which
but
is, my
this,
Lord.
I have referred to Your Lordship the notification of May 2020, Your Lordship, we have issued, taking into consideration the instruction of the state government, Your Lordships. And we asked them, my Lord, A, B and other officials, my Lord, they are mandatorily required to be physically present.
Yes.
Lordship.
My lord, I don't come under a group A, group B officer, my lord. I am a teacher faculty. My lord may see
Right.
page 378. Based on the feedback, a decision of the reopening will be taken in the month of July 2020. And this is the Ministry of Home Affairs notification of 30th May, and it's up till July 2020. Nehu is under Central University, my lord. Ministry of Home Affairs. My lord, thereafter at page 382.
This 54, 64, 78 days. This period alone. Not up to 2020. Plus 64. It's 72 days. This no. Why don't you pay him the wages for the 72 days?
Lordship, only, my Lord, our problem, my Lord. We have taken a resolution, Your Lordships. And as per the resolution, I have referred to that notification of May 2020, where we have asked all those group A, B, and other officials to be physically present in the university. This is after taking into consideration instruction from the state government, Lordships. And this is
Have you filed it? Your instructions and all are taking.
no, this has been referred to in that notification only, my Lord. That is, Lordship, I'm taking.
Oh, it comes to nearly about 1 minute, 24,
That is referred to in the notification itself.
99, nearly 6 months. Not 6 months. Yeah, 50 minutes, 99 days, 45. 45 plus 45. 95, 100.
My lord, that is clearly say, my lord, at 341, in pursuance to the order of Ministry of Home Affairs, etc., Government of India, order dated, and the order of the State Government of Meghalaya. That is well reflected, my lord, at page 341, our notification issued on 4th May 2020.
So this period, 18 days, is somewhat, Is it not? This 18 days. You pay this 18 days wages.
No, my lord, this is for May. For May, we have issued a notification. We have, my lord, insisted for physical appearance, taking into consideration instruction issued by the state government, your lordship, about the COVID situation.
Then you give your...
And that 18 days falls within May too?
See, you pay him 18 days wages and give a quietus to the matter. 18 days. See, we are not saying the 171 days.
No, my lord, I'm not on this thing. I understand you. Very small.
We know that at that time, the situation was bad.
Lordship.
Situation, because I was also going to Madurai and coming back.
Lordship.
So I know how much the situation was bad and how my brother Justice Prakash rectified the situation there, remedied the situation there. I know that. So you pay 18 days wages, we give a quietus to the matter.
Lordship,
Otherwise, we'll pass orders.
general decision, my lord. This is affecting all the teachers. There could be other teachers also.
You may be right. You may be right.
And why we have counted that May? Because we have issued a notification insisting for physical
You
presence.
pay the 18 days and give a quietus to the
I
matter.
leave it to your lordship.
Huh? No, you get instructions. I'll give you a week's chance so that we post the matter on. Today we are on. This side. 8th. 1 week, 15th. Post on.
My lord, may I just request it?
Yes.
Can it be on 17th, my lord?
17th is a holiday for you. You want a special sitting.
Oh, no. I apologize. I was actually...
A local holiday. You have it on 15th. We'll see. Let them give instruction. Thereafter, we'll give time. Anyway, we heard the matter. What is that? We have to pronounce orders.
I understand, my lord. I absolutely
Pronounce
understand.
orders. That's all. Either we may give 18 days wages with his consent or without his consent. That's all. If it's a consent, there will be quietus to the matter. Why should we hear you again?
My lord,
The matter has been heard at the admission stage. Both parties address argument in detail. According to the appellant, adjustment of 171 days leave to his credit is illegal, and the learned single judge ought to have granted the relief. More so, the leave was taken during the COVID period. You would submit that he went to Calcutta by availing 3 days casual leave in the month of March 2020, and lockdown was imposed throughout the country, due to which he was not able to travel from Calcutta to the place of work, which resulted in his absence, and that a family member was also affected with COVID and heart problems, was admitted in the hospital. Contesting counsel appearing for the respondent submitted that the entire wages payable to the employee has already been, to the appellant has already been paid, and that when the lockdown was lifted, he was asked to come and report for work, which he has not done. When during the lockdown period, no wages was deducted, and no disciplinary action was taken against any employees during the period of COVID. the petitioner, the appellant, has applied for leave in the leave application, and based on that, the leave was sanctioned, and after joining the services in the year December 2020, he resigned from the services in 2021. 22. Full stop. Hence, the similar treatment was made applicable to all the teachers all the persons like the petitioner who are not able to come and report for work for whatever reasons they have given. Hence, he is not entitled to any relief. The petitioner, in reply, has stated, the appellant in reply has stated that apart from the non-payment of wages for the 171 days, which was illegally deducted from his own leave, adjusted from his own leave, proper pay fixation was not made, which is also one of the prayer has not been answered by the learned single judge. In response, the contesting counsel for the respondent submitted that even though prayer was made, no plea has been made for the respondent to deal with the situation, apart from the fact that it is a disputed question of fact. You would submit that if any application for the non-fixation of pay is pending, the same will be considered and disposed of in accordance with law. After going through the records, we had a doubt as to whether 18 days leave should be adjusted for the period from so and so, and whether the wages should be deprived for the 18 days. Full stop. We asked the respondent counsel to get instruction as to whether there is a feasibility of payment of 18 days wages for the period from dash to dash should be given, can be paid, so that the issue can be given quietus to. With regard to rest of the issues, we are not inclined to accept the submission of the counsel for the appellant. Post for post on 15th July to enable the respondent to inform this court as to whether there is a feasibility of payment of 18, not feasibility, whether 18 days wages could be paid for the period mentioned supra. Insofar as non-fixation or wrong fixation of pay is concerned, we are not inclined to grant any relief except directing the respondent to decide the representation, if any, pending before the respondent after affording an opportunity to the appellant. Post on so and so. If it is agreeable, you get the paragraph, we can give a question.
Number 12.
See, don't repeat, sir. Don't repeat. See, we are also human. See, we are also human beings. See, we tend to get angry. Mean if we pass some orders, it will not going to affect you. It may affect you as a counsel, but the litigant will be the sufferer. Because understand, see, you give us the list of events. In service matters, list of events is very, very important. You say, turn this page, that page.
My lord, on 15th, my lord, I may be allowed to submit that, my lord.
Allowed to submit?
I'll allowed to submit the list of dates, my lord.
Available you give, otherwise no problem. Already we have dictated the order. Where you will be entitled to 18 days wages are not only issue. Based on that, we'll pass orders. That's all.
Item number 12.
My lord,
Wait, please. Yours.
Yes.
This is the airport matter, my lord.
Yes.
And we have contacted and we are in constant and regular touch with the Indian embassy in Bhutan, my lord. They are also pursuing with the Bhutanese government, my lord, but no breakthrough has taken place. I would request Dr. Mojika to take up with the embassy of Bhutan, my lord, so that the last trip should be materialized and report can finally be submitted before your lordship by the learned amicus. Because my state officials are in regular touch with the
So you must
embassy of
understand
Bhutan.
that I won't pass orders one way or the other. Just I want 38 days more before demitting the office.
Yes, my lord.
You must understand
Yes, my
that.
lord. Time is very short. Time is short. Dr. Mojika can use his good offices, my lord. I would request Dr. Mojika to pick up the matter so that some
I'll try, my lord.
breakthrough
I'll
can
write to
take
it. Call the matter on 15th.
15th will is 2
1 week.
But the matter comes on
Yes,
27th
Why?
to have instruction on that. Because
You inform us. We will post it on a weekly basis. So that based on the report submitted by the parties, because we'll pass out the result. At least I'll pass that order. We'll pass that order.
my lord, as far as that survey is conducted, my lord, the LIDAR survey, it appears that they'll require further 3 weeks time, my lord, to submit the final report.
That is right. That we'll call the matter on next week. At the request of party, we'll post on 15th. We're not going to say anything.
My lord.
Then on 15th, you tell us.
My lord. 15th.
Even 2 days is enough. We can go there and see the airport and come back.
My lord.
See, it will be very difficult. You must understand. Suppose after 16th August, you just may come. But he may not really, have the view because we have seen the place.
You visited the place, my lord.
And my brother is there. He'll know. Suppose the new Chief Justice is not going to sit with him. Two new judges will not be in a position at all.
That's true, my lord. I'll try to contact me. We'll get something.
Yes. What's the matter on 15th? See, we are trying to get so that we'll go on a weekend. Like Friday, we can go and come back on Sunday. Land there, see the place, and the next flight we can catch and come back. Yes.
Item 13.
My lord, this is relating to the national highway road, my lord.
What happened?
The National Highway Agency has already taken up the repair works, my lord, at several places, my lord, and they are improving in all the damaged areas, my lord. There, in some places, they have preparing to construct the drain. In some places, the retaining wall, and in some places, they are filling up for leveling, my lord. So, my lord, what I am praying is that I have given a list of steps what we have taken already.
Where is that?
And photograph is given from page 8 onwards, my lord. This work has actually started from the month of March, my lord. But subsequently, severe damage due to the rain, my lord. So the matter was called again.
Where is it?
Affidavit.
This one, huh?
Page 5 is the status report, my lord.
Oh.
The status report also is having photographs of the work which are being carried out, my lord. It starts from page 8, my lord, certain photographs we have taken. And what I'm saying is that, my lord, we kindly grant us at least 3 months time to show significant progress, my lord. So that we can also
submit, my lord. This, my lord, what has been submitted. These are, my lord, rainfall, landslide. These are recurring efforts, my lord, recurring issues, my lord. So this has to be taken up seriously, my lord, because when the PI was filed, these issue was very much in knowledge, and my lord, these.
That is why now the repair pay. You take me about
These reports, my lord, earlier also several reports have been filed. If my lord may kindly come to order dated, my lord, 19/7/23.
19?
7/23, my lord. Works they are carrying out, my lord, but still major portions, major damages, my lord, yet to be attended.
19/7/23.
Yes, my lord.
Order of
This on board, my lord. This on board.
19/7.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, will remember, my lord, that two contractors were allotted this work into two stretches, my lord. And we are granted.
But where is that order dated 19/7?
I'm sorry, my lord, it's 21st 6. I'm sorry, my lord. 21st 6/23.
Here only 8/7, not 19/7.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
If my lord,
21/6.
yes, my lord. If my lord come to second page, my lord, para 6.
Para?
Para 6, my lord.
6
Yes, lord.
of the status report.
No, my lord. It's order. Order dated 21/6/23, my lord.
Correct. 23.
21st.
24. Yes.
21st 6/23, my lord. It's a para 6 I'm referring.
23 or 24?
21st
21st July, June?
June 23, my lord.
23.
Yes, lordship.
My lord, during that time, no tender was given to the contractors for carrying out permanent strengthening of the roads, my lord. My friend is making it.
But any subsequent
Development was.
significant development.
During
if I
that
may-
time,
if I may read para 6.
is not helping the matter, my lord.
The matter is taken for hearing.
My lord, kindly allow me to read para
We
6.
are not going to dispose of the matter. It's a continuous matter. Let them work on for submitting report. We are not going to grant 3 months time.
Yes,
We are
Lord.
going to call the matter after 2 weeks so that periodically we can monitor it.
That we can do. That can be done, my lord. Because last time also, my lord, it was fixed in the month of
The
August.
matter is taken up for
The media
hearing.
no works were carried out.
1 minute. When the matter is taken up for hearing, the project director, NHAI, PAU Shillong, has filed a status report dated 5th July, filed an affidavit dated 5th July 2024 along with the status report dated 3/7/2024. He would submit that the counsel for the respondent would submit that comprehensive strengthening and improvement project is on and that repair works are carried on. Due to heavy rainfall, the work could not be completed and it is moving in a snail pace. So we would submit that if there is going to be any landslide, the work carried on will be again affected and they have to redo the exercise. Full stop. He would submit that they require 3 months time to complete the entire repair work pointed out by the petitioner.
To show significant progress, my lord, I will try to complete.
Show significant progress with regard to
Repair the damage.
repairing the roads and ensure that a proper road is laid. Full stop. Since from the photograph it is seen that work is in progress. Full stop. Though the respondent has sought for 3 months time, unless there is a proper monitoring by this court, the work will come to a standstill. And we are not inclined to grant 3 months time at a stretch. To know the further development, we direct the registry to list the matter on 24th of this month. And depending upon the progress that is going to be placed before us, further time will be considered and granted.
If I may make a small prayer, my lord, on the basis of this statement, my lord, this order, if they can also file an affidavit, my lord, on the basis of this order, my lord.
They will file. If they don't file, we'll see later. So let them see. See, you want to
This is my lord.
understand it's a public interest litigation. I brought to our attention. We are also interested.
But my lord, it was 23 order, and till now, my lord, they have not attended to, my lord. At least if they file the affidavit, it will be on record.
June 2023. Now we are in June 2024.
That is why I'm apprising was all good, my lord.
That is the reason why we are not granting 3 months time. We said we are getting 2 weeks time.
At least, This issue also, my lord, may kindly be looked into by the respondents, my lord. I'm just making this prayer, my lord.
See, last time, still we remember last time we said, you identify the places and so they give the list.
Yes,
So that
Lord.
they will be in a position to check and remedy the
We
situation.
will do that, my lord. We'll do that.
We are at
Deep Lord, Judge.
Item 14.
how many cases are there? Last one.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, I humbly seek your Lordship's indulgence in this matter.
Typeset,
Lordship.
papers.
Paper books is not ready, Lordship. I require some time, Lordship, to find the same. Lordship, this is an appeal against conviction under section 302, Lordship. Life imprisonment, Lordship.
Request for filing paper book. When will you file?
2 weeks' time, Lordship, after 2 weeks.
On 22nd, then a file. File the paper book, then we'll see.
Deeply obliged.
Apply lordship.
This month. We will see, because let them file the paper book so that we can give further time for them to prepare that. Yes.